Hello, I am 2 years locked.
I'm so excited. Let me say it again.
Hello, and welcome to my lock update. I am actually 2 years locked. The length is amazing. I'm happy with the length and happy with how it's growing. However, this side is a little thinner than this side. The front has grown. When I started, they were up here. Now they are literally down here. These two locks up here, these four actually, I had to combine these because they were kind of thin, so I combined them into, instead of four, just two locks. And I'm just gonna go around and give you a length check. And again, you can see on this side, it's a little thinner on this side than it is on the other side, and it's still okay. When I do my styles, I tend to do them over on this side to cover up the thinness on that side. So every day I spray it with this little concoction here. I got rose water in here. I got rose water, black castor oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil. Just spray it a little bit and go on about my day. And lately I've been using, that feels good. That feels good. And lately I've been using this on my scalp to see if I can thicken up some of this area in the front here that's kind of thin. So, and I've been putting this on my scalp like every other day. Not every other day. I've been usually doing it about 2 times a week. So, trying to thicken up my hair and actually grow it out a little bit more. Although I can't complain about the growth because when I started, I mean, these were like itty bitty. I mean, they were so short. I didn't even have a bang coming up here. So the growth is amazing. And I'm also going to do some of this here on it today. This is a leave-in conditioner to hydrate. I haven't used it before, so I'm just going to spray a little bit because it's kind of, oh, that feels good. I usually do some type of leave-in conditioner at least once or twice a week, but I haven't done it in a while, so I'm gonna try this. It actually smells really good. So I kind of lift those up and get it all in there. This is my thinner side, so let's see. And also spray it around the edges here and rub it in a little bit. Spray it up here in front. Rub it in. And that's it for tonight. Bye.
So this was the style that I got when I had my last retwist. I wish I had got those bended in the rose petals, but I didn't. And I just had them hanging down. And then this is once I tuck my style down. And this is just random pictures between when I had my last retwist till my lock 2-year anniversary. Enjoy. And hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video and like the content, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be posting additional videos of my lock journey from time to time. And I hope you continue to like and enjoy my videos. Thank you.